Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set TV download options to fast downloads or high quality on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on TV. Next, in here, go down to the Download Options section and then tap on Cellular or Wi-Fi. In here, you can select between high quality. So it says here, slow download, uses more storage. If you select fast downloads, it will be faster downloads but use less storage, but the quality will be lower. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, and that will be the same for Wi-Fi. So in Wi-Fi, you can select high quality or you could select fast downloads. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.